How to make money with the AliExpress affiliate program. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to start making money with the AliExpress affiliate program. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can now start doing your affiliate program with AliExpress. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can access the affiliate program for AliExpress. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do first is just simply go to the portals.aliexpress.com website and where you'll find their affiliate program. And then from here, you'll see that there is over 150 million affiliated products as of 2022. So yes, so there's more and upcoming. And then the commission rate's up to 9% basic commission rate and up to 90% for hot products and 200 plus supported countries and regions. So to start earning, just simply click on this button right here that says start earning. And then from here, all you have to do is just simply register with your account. So you can register with your email or with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Afterwards, you'll now be asked to create an AliExpress affiliate account. So first, it will ask you for your payee name, your contact email, your email verification code, your contact phone number, social media account information, so what social media platform you're using, and your social media account ID, how did you hear about them, and do you want to subscribe to the AliExpress portal newsletter. So just answer all of these. So make sure that all of these with the red asterisk right here are answered. So yeah, so just simply answer them. And then once you're done, just simply click on next. Afterwards, it will now ask you about your site information. So promotional attributes. So network refers to being an organization or agency of sub-publishers or sub-affiliates and promoting by sub-affiliates. Non-network refers to promoting by your own promotion channels. So just choose between these two right here. So for example, just choose non-network. Then just select your channel type right here, whether it's drop shipping, social media, media buying, and etc. So for example, just do it via social media. And then it will ask you if you're gonna choose between group chats, influencers, forums, and others. So for example, just choose influencers. Then it will now ask you on what platform you want to start posting these products info. So as an example, I'll just choose Instagram. And then there you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you for your site name. So just simply add the name of your channel right here, whether it's your Facebook page, Instagram page, TikTok, or etc. Just simply add your URL right here. So the link of your profile. And then choose which category of products you'll be selling and the traffic source area, whether it's global or you want to sell it within a specific country. And then the description of your channel right here. And then once you're done, just simply click on submit. And then from there, all you have to do is just wait until AliExpress confirms your affiliate account. And then once it's confirmed, you can now start selling affiliate products with your affiliate account on AliExpress. And then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make money with the AliExpress affiliate program. So yeah, so again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos when you're going to sign up for the AliExpress affiliate program. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.